A Hope Garden is a intelligent plant system, hydroponics, and we're going to check out inside the box what we get to grow some herbs and vegetables, and it's going to be all done by water and the pods. Let's open this bad boy up, show you what you get inside the box. This is everything inside the box, instructions. When you open up your system on the inside, you're going to have everything all inside here. You have on the back is a plug, and you're going to simply just lift up nice and carefully. It opens up nice and tall, so this way when you grow your plants, they have plenty of room of light. You have a top cover that comes off, a drain area, and 12 pod areas to put all your plants in. You have everything needed to take care of business, all these packages. Inside the unit is a pump that's going to circulate the water every 30 minutes, and you have the option to turn the lights on and off. The unit runs off of 110, which is 12 volts at 2 amps that plugs into the back of the unit over here. Let's set up our unit, put the cover on. We have 12 baskets which we're going to drop into the spots. 12 pods, they don't include seeds, so we're going to go grab some either basil, tomatoes, peppers, whatnot. If you choose not to use the whole system and just a number, they give you caps that you can close up. You're given some grow domes. You're given some little stickers that you can stick onto the unit. Stickers that will snap onto the top so you know what you have. A pair of tweezers so you can put the seeds in. Stickers to get you started. Algae and plant food. So you have your plant food and algae to put in, and all you have to do is add water, turn on, and allow to grow. If and when you ever need to drain the unit, on the back we have a spare cap and a rubber cap over here. That's where you would place this on. The key functions on top is the power button, the pump. Every 30 minutes, this will go on as quiet. The lighting functions, you have two different ones. You have vegetable mode, a flower and fruit mode. With the supplied ingredients, we're going to get 5 milliliters for each liter of water. We can lift up or open up a hole and add in our ingredients. Check online for further detail about this product. Slide open and add your water. There is a window as you see the water may evaporate or you need to add when first filling or repeated fillings. You want to make sure you have the proper levels and the proper ingredients in there. A sticker on the window naming it lettuce. Take a couple of seeds and drop in. You could pre-start seeds and we watch this grow by adjusting the light down and circulate the pump. When your gardening grows, you can start to lift your light stand up on a telescopic pole about 18 inches, and then you could bring it down to a height when they are germinating and all. 16 hours circulating pump every 30 minutes. This is the A Hope Garden Intelligent Plant System.